Hey, so we're at Sung Sot Island. Some sort of island. Very funny. Are you ready for 1,500
Yes.
Yeah.
Is Ziling ready?
meters? Yeah. Meters.
Oh wow. It's huge.
The biggest cave in Hanoi.
Yo guys, we're on a Hanoi tour and we're making spring rolls. There are 4 steps to making spring rolls. Step 1, you look here, you take the rice paper and you dap it on the wet cloth because you don't want it to be so dry. The next step is you take this, it's a mix of stuff. There's mushroom, there's spring onions, there's vermicelli, carrots, meat, and egg, raw egg. Then you put it over here. Okay, this is what you want to do. You're going to fold this here.
I'm so hoping that you will fail this one.
Make sure you keep it straight. And you fold this side here. Make sure you keep it straight as well. And you fold this side here. And tuck the sides in. And roll, roll, roll.
Your boat.
And then what you want to do is you want to fry this. Fry it in oil. And eat.
So this is a Bun Cha. It's a grilled pork with rice vermicelli. They give us a lot of veggie, and I think the what you can. Hey guys, what are you doing for? So we are over here now at the shopping district. I think we are being bargaining like mad. Don't know what's the good pricing here.
Let's take a look at this stuff.
Oh, okay, have a look. Oh, okay.
Look. Let me open it for you. Vietnam.
Okay, James is still a kid and being fascinated by pop-up books.
Dude, like, it's such a good Christmas gift. Only for $2. Maybe less. Hey man, we are at Bia Hoi Street. This is where people usually do their pub crawl. And we're all drinking beer. Cheers guys!
Yes.
Cheers! Okay, set. New friends.
Alright, cheers.
New friends. From France and
From Belgium. Hey, cheers!